How to fix Instagram mention not working. So if you simply open up your Instagram application, and if you choose a story, to post, and after choosing or after taking a story, now you can simply go for the upper right corner which has that text icon, tap on that, and then here you will have mention option, right? You can simply choose on that mention. You can simply choose anyone to mention, and after choosing that you can simply tap on done, which is on the upper right, and then you can post this. But if you're not being able to mention on Instagram, then what you can do is, first of all, you need to check your internet connection. Like if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you might have this kind of problem. Or if your internet connection is stable, then the next thing you need to do is you need to check if your app needs an update or not. So open up your Play Store and then go for the search bar and search for Instagram. And after searching, if you have an update option instead of this open option, then you can simply tap on update, and you have to update your Instagram application. And after updating, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply open up your settings and then go for apps and notifications and open up your Instagram on your settings, and then go for storage and cache and then tap on clear cache, and this might fix your problem. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply remove that, and then you can uninstall your application. You can uninstall your Instagram application, and then you can again install it from your App Store or your Play Store. Or the last fix is to restart your device. You can simply hold on to that power button and you can simply restart your device, and after restarting, your problem might be fixed. So that's it. These were the few fixes to your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.